Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I'm back with a very quick haul from Condren. So I'm so sorry. The last one I did, this is going to be part 3. I've got evening light. My box kept closing, so I am going to, oh, I didn't mean to tear that. I am going to carefully open this. As you know, we reuse everything. And I'm going to share what this is. That's what I thought this was. So, this is going to be a part of a 3-part series. I knew I wanted to film these all together. So that's why I've kind of, waited. But, because I had this in October. But, okay, so Condren came out with all new goodies. And here's a tip. I live near Austin, the Austin store. But I cannot get things embossed or monogrammed. I can get like the plastic covers, you can get that done, but you can't get the traveler's notebooks. And so I ordered these online and I love it. Isn't that gorgeous? So I love rose gold, so they were able to do it in rose gold, and they have changed it up just ever so slightly, and so I'm very excited to get this going. But I love this. These are very inexpensive. They're $20. You can't buy these in other places for that amount. It's really a good buy. They're very well made. It's not hard leather. It's not super soft leather. It is just right. Perfect thickness. Perfect, it's bendable, it's soft, and it is beautiful. They've not had the printed ones that I've known of until now. So I had to get that one, and I had to get this one. I thought that was so beautiful. Just the stars and the navy. It's so lovely. I also had picked up the burgundy one in the shop, which you couldn't get online, but I could not get my name on it. So I'm going to take it to a leather shop here in town and get them to put, it may be that I'll be using it for my business, I'm not sure. So I probably will not put my name on that one. But I just thought these were so beautiful. Again, they're like $20. You can't find them with this quality of leather. And then I think to put your name on it, I think it's $5. But even $25, how nice is that? So they always come in these gorgeous bags that are perfect. When I travel, I put them right back in there and I cinch it up and I'm good to go. And I'm getting ready. In my second video, I opened up that other box, so I'm getting ready to put all my signatures in here, but I just wanted to share everything with you. These guys are amazing. Shipping is phenomenal. I had a whole bunch of like customer points or reward points, and then I had a coupon and I hit a sale, and they're just super, super sweet. And every time I go into the shop, I get just the sweetest gals, and some of them, like, they remember me because I've taken a class there with Amy Tan or Amy Tangerine. I've done a couple of 3 things there, and so anyways, it's just they are so kind to me. And of course, I'm the one that comes in with the gimpy cane, or if I'm having a bad day, and and I just walk around because the color's so beautiful and it's so encouraging and it's so light and bright, and just the colors inspire me. And so I'm sure you've seen online the famous colored stairs, the rainbow stairs. I've been on it, had a picture taken when I did the class with Amy Tangerine, and just amazing. And everybody there, when I did that class, I was having a really bad weekend and I had to use a cane, and they were like, here, can I carry this for you? What can I? And I was like, no, I'm fine. I'm going to be slow. And I cannot tell you, not only did the people who worked there, not only did the leadership and the teaching, were they that gracious, and I'm talking about Amy, but also the fellow classmates. It was amazing. And I went to that particular class in April, and just so encouraging. So anyways, if you get a chance, go look online. They have some gorgeous new designs. They have gorgeous new colors. They have changed the construction of these ever so slightly. You'll see that in the first video. I think I discussed it then. I mean, I did that video like beginning of October, so it's been a while. But there will be a 3-part series, so go enjoy all of it. All right, my friends. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give it a thumbs up. It helps me and it helps our channel to grow. So I appreciate when you guys take that time. And only if you like it. I hope you enjoy these. And then also, if you're not subscribed, jump in. Hit that button. We'd love to have you. We're a small channel, but man, the people on this channel that are part of this channel are so amazing. And this channel was built on encouragement. That was the whole idea behind it. So we're here to encourage you, and I hope that you are encouraged. You can also leave a comment, or you can also email me at josephinesdesigns.com@gmail.com. It is listed below and also in the About section above. And lastly, if this would encourage somebody else, or somebody else is saying, I'm looking for, feel free to share this video. We'd love to encourage somebody else. Okay, most importantly, sweet friends, I'm going to let you go early. I know. Can you believe it? Are you laughing? She actually isn't going to talk too long. All right, that there alone was too much. But anyways, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and I mean really get in there. Create. Yeah, okay, I'm not even going to go there. Creative and just so very lovely. Bless somebody else with something that you've created. Okay, there's my challenge to you today. And I'll be talking to y'all soon. Y'all take care. Love you. Bye-bye.